they've got 2 of the yellow totes in their possession. They make their way all the way into the landfill. Then at the last second, they end up tipping over one of the totes. It fell onto the Red Alliance side of the field, and they are going to be fined for that one. 6 points will be deducted from their overall score. 1986, picking up the flag for the Blue Alliance. What they've got so far, they're stacking them high.
Oh, did you see how quick he fixed it?
The Alliance going to get us up and going. 1986, working there inside the landfill zone.
It was like 90 degrees.
What was 90 degrees?
The tote, and it took him like a half a second.
First team 48 on the move again. They've already pre-stacked one of the green recycling containers. One that's already filled. Maximize the point value on their next stack. 6 stack taken care of by 1986.